What is up, 100% Stunt viewers? Today we're in the garage. We're going to be doing some work to the Frontier. And I'm here to tell you first that 100% Stunt is not just pit bikes. 100% Stunt entails a lot of things. And you guys are going to be happily surprised when you check out some of our new and upcoming content. We have some really good stuff. So today, the project is Leibrandt. What a nice guy. Great guy. So Leibrandt is coming up to Red Deer from Calgary, which is about an hour and 20-minute drive. I had to work today, so what he is bringing up is his dad's black steel wheels D window, and he has some 31 by 10.5s. We got Huff today. Say hi, Huff. So Leibrandt's on his way up right now. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to get the wheels jacked up in the air and start pulling some wheels off. Well, I didn't even have time to start pulling the wheels off. And Leibrandt's here. In the Bourbon. Oh, he did some work to it today, it looks like. Give us a rev. Sounds really good.
Smells better under load.
Oh, damn.
My old man was adamant on putting some rust converter on that little bit of.
Was he? Well, your dad is.
Yeah, you know how he is. So.
He's very particular. I'm not as particular. I mean, they're gonna go off-road and get beat up. You balance them too?
Of course I did.
Nice.
I said anyways.
Oh, look at this. That's not much difference between your cam. Wow. All right, I'll load these into the garage. Okay, let's roll one of these bad boys up and compare it to my stock tires that are undersized pieces of garbage. Not a big fan of Wranglers. It's what I bought this truck with last year. So I don't know why the guy chose to go undersized, but look at this. Look at that. That's 31 by 10.5. Now that's what these should be running stock.
Holy fuck, what a difference, eh, Barry?
Look at the size. Man. Look at the height difference.
Jeez, you're talking like, fuck, that's what, 2 inches?
3 inches?
I'm being conservative at 2, but fuck, that is almost 3, eh? It's like 2.5.
So that's basically 1.5 inches of ground clearance instantly.
So
and
the arms are going to look beautiful through the D windows.
And width. And, oh.
Right? I'm pretty damn excited, dude. This is the way your truck should be.
Should be factory, right? This is how they should release it factory.
Exactly. Especially if they're going to put a sticker on the back of it that says off-road. Come on.
Come on.
Door sticker does call for a, what, 265?
Yeah.
And this fucking last dipshit put a 245 on it.
235s.
Oh, sorry. I stand corrected. I thought they were 245.
Look at that. Why? Okay, we got to check the door to see what these actually are factory.
Maybe it was, I'm pretty sure it's a 265. For everybody that doesn't know,
okay. 265. 70 R15 is what should be on it.
Okay, so it's not a 75, it's a 70.
The dipshit that sold me this truck. Okay, this truck is a 2000 Nissan Frontier. Okay, beautiful truck. I love these trucks. But I bought it last year, and the guy was a bit of a hack. So I'll show you something funny. Okay, you see 2 wires? Okay, one for a block heater. What do you think the other one's for? He ran an extension cord down the tunnel of the truck so we could plug a space heater in wintertime. Okay? Next thing up, he tried to redo his U-joints, and it's a 2-piece drive shaft, and he failed to phase them, and it had a wicked vibration when I bought it, and a click as well. So I chipped him down on his price a little bit. I knew the clicking was the manual hubs, or sorry, the automatic locking hubs factory. So I replaced those. Those are Warden locking hubs. Love them. They look great, and they're going to look even more great through those V windows. So I rephased the drive shaft as well. I brought it in, got it balanced, and yeah, threw it on. But yeah, the guy who owned it before me, this truck deserves someone better. It's the very first Frontier, first generation. They've had this body style from 1998 to 2000, so this is the last year of this body style. It's a V6, 3.3 liter with a 5-speed manual, 4-wheel drive, obviously. But yeah, that's it. This is my truck. It's dirty. So what? That's what trucks are for. Okay, so brought my 1/2-inch Mac Tools 20-volt impact home. Of course, we're using a chrome socket and chrome extension. No safety glasses. That's how you do it in the garage. These motherfuckers. These suckers are going bye-bye. These rims might see some winter tires one day, but moment of truth. Will they fit? Oh my god. Like a glove.
Like a fucking glove. Don't even need spacers.
Don't even need spacers. I was stressing if the calipers were going to fit because I've read forums and people say calipers won't fit. And check this. Oh, what just happened? We had some settling going on there.
Jack stand a little bit, yeah. Not a big deal.
Wow. Got that on film. Oh, look. Look at the poke. Oh, man. That looks awesome. Like a glove. And just for the record, 31 10.5s aren't the stock size. I know they fit because I had a 95 Nissan hardbody, which is basically this exact same truck, just 5 years older. I had 31 by 10.5s on 2 different tires, never had any rub. So just so you guys know, a 31 by 10.5 will fit this truck. And black steely D windows will also fit this truck. Okay, easy. I have a torque wrench.
It's like it's meant to be.
Yeah. It's how Nissan should have released them factory.
It's hilarious when you compare the front to the back. Anyways. This guy's happier than a pig in shit right now.
I'm so happy they fit. Oh, yeah.
Bada boom, bada bing.
All right, time for the backs. 100
foot-pounds. Hit it, son.
There you go.
Bada boom, bada bing.
Off the jack.
Okay, let's check out that poke. Check out that poke first here. Oh, perfect.
Beautiful summer night.
Bright right there, but you know.
I want to thank Paul Visser. Thank you for being so particular with your wheels. If you ever see this video, I thank you a lot. You're giving me a great deal. I'm happy. I'm a happy camper.
All those rain checks are worth it, bud.
All right, so now the backs are on too. Oh, way better. Okay, this is before. This is after. So we just stopped and got some drinks.
We just ran into some fucking...
We were about to go to the car wash. The car wash is closed, but we ran into some boys.
Oh, I got some burning oil on that.
Oh, we got a Mazda.
I love that fucking rotary. We got a little K car there.
And we
got a 350 here.
Oh, they got a pressure motor.
Clips. Woo! Woo! Dorito life!
Thank you, Leibrandt.
Anytime, buddy.
Like, subscribe, comment below. Come on, guys. Need some subscribers. uh, Another episode of 100% Stunt. Peace.